Welcome to Module 2, Unit 2, XR Software and Hardware for Education. Here we cover technologies provided by Varjo and Microsoft. Learning outcomes. By completing this lesson task, you will achieve learning outcomes and skills such as current hardware available and common hardware use cases with XR. Okay, first start with the recap from Unit 1. Then start going through the Varjo hardware. There's 3 devices, XR3, VR3, and Aero. Again, we used videos to show the difference between the devices and their use cases and design. Then more detailed specs with prices. Again, more use case videos. Another device and its specs. And the last one from Varjo. Then to Microsoft. HoloLens 2. Video, then details about HoloLens 2. Difference between the options that you might get, comparison between the devices, again demo use case videos, some other brands and manufacturers that are providing professional devices, and the second self-learning exercise. And here you select and focus on professional use of VR devices. And this should be made different than the first exercise. Thank you.